Fundamentals of functions. Now we discuss the first part of the practical. The aim of the part is to demonstrate the implementation of functions.
Function is a self-contained block of statements that perform some task. We can say that using function is something like hiring a person to do a specific job. Every C program can be thought as a collection of these functions. Now, why we use functions? There are two main reasons to use a function. First, writing function avoids the rewriting of the same code again and again in the same program. And the second reason is that using function, it becomes easier to write the program and keep the track of what they are doing. Here, this is the syntax of function. In main function is also a function. Here we call the function. The function name followed by the semicolon is a function call, and this is the function definition in which a function is defined. Now we have an example. Here message is the function name, and void message is the function prototype declaration. After completing its execution, it does not return anything. Indicates using the keyword void. Here we call the function message, and this is void message is the function definition. In this definition, we have only printf statement, but we can use if, for, while, switch, etc. The function can be called by two ways. First is called by value, and second is called by reference.
Now we are going to discuss the second part of the practical. Aim of the second practical is to demonstrate the call by value parameter passing method.
Whenever we call the function and pass the values of variables to the function, then such a function call is called as call by value. Here we have an example. Let's see. Here calcium is a function name, and we are passing some values to this function calcium. Here A, B, and C are the actual arguments, and X, Y, Z are the formal arguments. Whatever the changes made in these blocks is local to this block and cannot return for main function.
Now we are going to discuss the third part of the experiment. Aim of the experiment is to demonstrate the call by reference parameter by passing method.
Call by reference. In call by reference, the location or the address of the actual argument is passed in the formal argument by called function. This means by accessing actual argument, we can alter the called function. Here, void star by reference int star. Star is the pointer which will give the address, and this is function declaration. This will be about the main, and this is the call function. This add will give the address of this pointer. This is the function definition. In function definition, here we had taken n1 and n2 are the variables, and here it is taken as a and b. We can also take both the variables as a and b, or n1 or n2. Then this function called in the main function, then the control will be on this function.